ज़ियाना दादी को किशी दे दो।
स्लाइड पे जाना, स्लाइड पे।
Yes. Dance. Ziana is very strong. Well done, well done. Free. Aha.
Very nice.
Key. Yes. अच्छा किशी दे दो, दादी को किशी दे दो जल्दी से। What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. बड़ा मजा आया spending time with my daughter Ziana. We had some quality time with each other after a long time. So Ziana and we both had a lot of fun. Our first train ride together. चाहे वो toy train क्यों ना हो. Ziana of course had the best of both the rounds because she did 2 rounds in the train inside the mall. और हम उनके साथ गए थे second round में. So technically that was my first train ride with my daughter. So that was quite nice. अब पापा के साथ भी कुछ मस्ती की. पापा को मैं फुट मसाज के लिए लेके गया था. But as I speak right now, Papa has gone back to Kolkata. Mom has gone back. Everybody has gone back. And बस हम रह गए हैं. So yeah, so Papa has gone back to Kolkata and hopefully soon I'll see him there because Calcutta trip is pending since the longest time. तो हम वहाँ पे ज़रूर जाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी जाएंगे. आप लोग ये vlog enjoy करिए. देखिए क्या क्या हुआ, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ. My very cute moments with Ziana. Lots of fun, lots of मस्ती. And enjoy the vlog. और मेरी मम्मी ने कुछ आज कुछ ऐसा कुछ पहना है. Looking very nice, Mama. All set for Jio Mall?
Yes.
ओहो.
Yes. फिर आके खाएंगे हम लोग बेटा ना.
हाँ मटन बन रहा है अभी. जरा बताओ ये क्या है. Let me know in the comment section what this is. Quite interesting. It's easy, but you guys might not guess it. Let's see. Mom has come to the nursery to get some plants. And it's right next to our building. It's right next to our house. That's a good thing. And that is me. Enjoying the beautiful sun. Hi, Baba.
Hi.
You're looking very nice and fresh.
Thank you.
So off late, Papa has not been keeping well. He's been having some throat infections, a little bit of mild headache, but today he's much better. In fact, yesterday, Baba, I met you yesterday, na? So yesterday, Papa was having cough. Yesterday or day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. So Papa was coughing a lot, but now he's much better. And tomorrow's Rene's birthday. Baba is very excited, and then Baba is leaving me. He's leaving on the 5th. He's saying, "Beta, बहुत time हो गया Bombay में." Baba, this is not right.
I have to go sometime. It's already more than 3 weeks.
But that's nothing. You should spend quality time in Bombay. You should spend quality time in Bombay. Spend more time with us. And Baba this time didn't come to Goregaon East at all. He's just been busy here in Bandra, but he's had a good stay in Mumbai, right, Baba?
Very good stay.
So yes.
Weather was also good. Very nice.
Today I did 1 hour of yoga at home. Very nice. जियाना दादी को किशी दे दो बाबा ओहो ओहो अच्छा किशी 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 अरे बाबा
One, two,
3 aha
very nice.
फुल मस्ती की अरे बाबा मिष्टी चीनी गुड़ एकदम यस 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 अच्छा किशी दे दो
अरे एक दे दो
एक किशी दे दो किशी 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 किशी
एक अच्छा ये
किशी दे दो जल्दी से
क्या करना है? नहीं but you have to go बेटा you have to go अभी निकाल नहीं सकते अभी जाओगे ना
गाड़ी किधर है Where's your car? Where's your car? Well done. Ziana? Ziana is very strong. अरे वाह नहीं 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 इधर नहीं इधर नहीं हाँ हाँ Ziana. आहा Ziana पापा के पास आओ Ziana पापा किधर है आहा I love you. I love you. So me and Ziana, we're having our first train ride together. Yeah, where are we going? I'm loving the train ride, Ziana. What fun! Hi. Hi. Hey, Putku. Hey, Putku. Hi. मैं somehow train में fit हो चुका हूँ. So I'm look at me. My tall legs. I've managed to sit next to my daughter. Yes, Ziana? Oh, lucky girl. This is your second round. Come, Masti.